Okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
The City Bridals ku Kamukamu Plaza ne
Apeta Spiced Curry Powder kakolebwa Castle Scent of Spices e Busega kalina akawoowo
ne
Hill Water Natural Mineral Water gano ge mazzi gokka ageesigika agatasemba. Hill Water Natural Mineral Water.
Omukwano leero njagala otegere nti wampamba wotoli siryasenywa nze sebaka nyabo.
Bwatyo Senga yatulaza omugole omwami
aliwo Mr. Handsome ayuda wasenga
omugole omwami amazina obwedda akoonera ddala mangi bali balina essanyu.
aliwo Mr. Handsome
Era omukyala naye n'aweerwa omukisa okusisinkana omwami we ne beekubya ku bifaananyi.
If you're not a bride or groom, please go and sit. Let's give this time to these ones. So Remy, give me a hug again. Hug him again. Hug him again.
It's social media.
Hey, Remy. What you're going to do? Leave Remy here. Go back there. Senga is going to take you there and mark you. Senga, please take as they're going back. Okay.
What's that? Making money was the plan. I'm gonna go get up and take a man. And I always say you can. Anytime that you're feeling down, I'm a say, girl, make you settle down. Then I say, I don't get you down. With the smile, make you know the frown. Say no one can pull you down. So me sing, say, win, win, win. Win, win, win. Win, win, win.
Okay, winner. What it's going to do, what the aunt is going to do, is going to differentiate you between us. She's going to give you that flower. She's going to pollinate you from the other heads to the stigma. After decorating you, she's going to make you sit. As you're sitting, pretend as if you have never eaten anything hard. You show that you eat sausages. sit one place at a time.
One place at a time.
Okay, DJ.
Aivo.
The man I've chosen.
Yoyo musajja gwalonze.
I bring to introduce him officially in front of all the congregation.
Asazeewo kumwanjula gye muli mu butongole nga bwe yakoze mu nnyumba ku lwa muwala we.
Imirira muwevinge babuzi. Iwevu. Olaba bayi abagagga naye mwe ogera tubalabye abeeyo n'abeeyo.
Eba ya mikono ebiri n'enkokotesi.
Baby, you too sweet forever. I'm gonna be dancing to la banana. You can take me to Babalada. If I ever, oh baby, baby, you too sweet forever. I'm gonna be dancing to la banana.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy. When you leave, I swear I can't breathe. Do you really care, baby? Even wonder your home is up. You are my fantasy, my only desire. Kukutekereza nijoro bituma nasinzira, 'cause you make me fall in love. Darling, darling, if you touch me one more time, I might lose my mind. Baby, it's too much here. Can we go slowly? 'Cause I can't take it.
It's okay, you be there.
Banyina b'omugole omwami baalese ebimuli mu ssanyu eringi ddala.
Waliwo n'ensozi nnyingi nnyo ewaabwe.
Leero tukolere wamu. Okay.
Baby, we love you so much. You're so cute.
Bamwagala nnyo kubanga mubalagavu.
No, you just like I should cry because you're more than a sister.
Awulira ayagala kabo olw'essanyu.
Val asked us to give you these flowers. They are beautiful, like just like you.
Vaala abagala mu ebimuli kuba birungi nga ye.
Pray may you continue to bring this beauty.
Era ayagala asigale nga bw'ali.
And may you keep being beautiful.
Asigale nga
be a blessing to us, as the Bible says. He that findeth a wife.
Nga Bayibuli bw'egamba nti afuna omukyala afuna okuganja, asigale nga bw'ali paka lasiti. Ate amaziga ag'essanyu bannange.
But Remy, God sent us to. I want just to tell you we love you very much.
Bamugamba nti bamwagala
We
nnyo.
want to tell you that you are beauty from inside out.
Nti mulungi nnyo okuviira ddala mu bikolwa ne mu ndabika.
We can see the love
Balaba omukwano
in
gwonna
your eyes.
oguli mu
We
maaso.
know the love is spreading itself.
Nti omukwano gweyogerera.
We know you are loved by our brother man.
Era tumanyi nti mwannyinaffe akwagala
You are
bitole.
welcome to our family.
Tukwaniriza okujja maka gaffe. Nti ajja kwagala paka enguzi weerigwa mu Africa.
Era bwe baleese bingi mwadde bbiya, soda, sukaali, tanka, fridge, sofa seeti bannaye nga bingi ddala. Ate nga n'ebimu omugole omwami yafuye okulaba nti yabituusa ku mukyala we. Ate nga byonna bya bbeeyi nga bya class. omulundi ogwokubiri omugole omukyala yayambadde mushanna era nga gushininga kubanga munnange abalina group yabwe gye balimu nga bamanyiddwa nga abantu abambala engoye ezishininga zibanyumira naddala ono abakulira.
Oyo kabiri kali otuge wakyekyo onyiga tokuba nawe mwana wa mama kwata n'ebyange omusajja bwe buyinza bw'amaka munange wenyoomoola bano sowaani yogiterekanga ne waba taliiwo munange togiwa bayise ebigambo byange owattu byolina okukwata olw'obufumbo bwammwe bulyoke bufune ekitiibwa naye nga tweyanziza mwebale kulondoono tweyanziza tusiiye tulaba kusaba genyi baffe tulaba kukirabyawa mukulike kubo tulaba kusaba genyi baffe abako baffe yawa muyogeyogesewo tulaba kusaba genyi baffe tulabyawa mukulike kubo tulaba kusaba genyi baffe abako baffe yawa muyogeyogesewo bana wetabula wesemeza nange mwendolera zinsoba mupango buyinza
Gakolezi bintu mungi wana muuleno bakozesa nzawulo yonna ku zaano.
Musajja wa Kabaka. أو مولا بقى ما ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة. Sama nina ga bobo kabo.
Darling, moved from Cameroon, Sweden, Kampala, finally found myself in Nakaseke. Nyabo, Sebo. Today, I have taken your daughter. It belongs to me. Thank you.
Remy, this is for Mom. When we are talking about Mom, we kneel down. Hey, Mama. All of us. This is for Mom, to thank her for all that she has done for you. To tell her we love her so much, and we shall continue loving her. This is for our sweet aunt. Sweet Aunt Senga. We thank her for being the bridge between Cameroon and Buganda. We promise that we shall continue loving her, and you come back for the white wedding.
Lord, do my best. I'm going to take care of your sister Moko.
Yes.
And I'm going to come back here. Moko. I'm going to take her into Catholic Church for the Lord to bless us. Moko. Thank you.
Moe. Moko. Moe ne basa. Jimoe. You tell him Weba Lenyo.
Weba Lenyo.
Weba ile dala.
Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
The City Bridals ku Kamukamu Plaza ne
Apeta spiced curry powder kakolebwa Castle Scent of Spices e Busega kalina akawoowo
ne Hill Water Natural Mineral Water gano ge mazzi gokka ageesigika agatasemba Hill Water natural mineral water.
Wotoli serious nywa nze sebaka nyabo